right now. Back to Marcus. Marcus Espinoza on the case there, the breaking news in Dedham, Mass. The Karen Reed verdict is in. Marcus, as I said, that's quite a scene where you are.
Yeah, Connell, that's right. So they actually closed off the streets here, blocked and put barricades up. There was actually a brief scuffle as well between supporters here and the police to my left. They have closed this area off as this verdict is expected to be read in a matter of minutes here. I suspect it's going to be very, very soon here. I'm going to step aside and give you guys a bit of a view of what this scene looks like right now. Hundreds of people have taken over in front of the courthouse here. Most of these people are Karen Reed supporters here. And just take a look at how many people are here. They're holding up a hand signal that they've been using throughout the entire trial. Let's go to that.
Yeah, Marcus.
Let's go ahead and listen to the verdict now. Let's take a look.
This is live in the courtroom. There's the defense attorney, Alan Jackson. There's Karen Reed. Let's listen. About to hear her fate.
Correct? Yes. So say you, Mr. Foreman? Guilty. So say you all?
Yes.
003. What say you is the defendant at the bar leaving the scene after accident resulting in death? The defendant not guilty or guilty? Not guilty. So say you, Mr. Foreman? Yes. So say you all? Yes. Jurors, hearken your verdict as the court records that you upon your oath say the defendant on 001 is not guilty, on 002 is guilty of operating under the influence of liquor, and 003 not guilty. Thank you.
All right, jurors, everybody please be seated. Jurors, we thank you for your service. We're going to send you back to services complete. I'd like to do that when we talk to you a little bit afterwards. So thank you very much.
All rise. Your call me. Media, please exit the courtroom immediately.
Karen Reed?
Not
yet.
Tony,
Hold on,
not yet.
hold on, everyone. Karen Reed. Ms. Reed, can I have your attention? As required by statute, I must inform you that the records regarding the charges that you have been found not guilty will be sealed by the Commissioner of Probation by the court unless you notify the Commissioner of Probation in writing within 10 days that you do not want these records sealed. To request that these records not be sealed, you may use the Request Not to Seal form, which is posted on the trial court's website on mass.gov. I cannot accept the form here in court. You must submit it to the Commissioner of Probation at the address provided on the form. Please be aware that if the records regarding the charges which you have been found not guilty are sealed, you will be unable to access the sealed record of the not guilty dispositions or any other records regarding those charges. If you want copies of any documents regarding those charges before the records are sealed, you should request copies from the court within 10 days. Do you understand? Thank you.
All right, so we need a date for sentencing. Can we do it next week?
We would be prepared to go forward today.
Okay.
Perhaps we could approach sidebar briefly.
Okay.
That was dramatic, wasn't it? You probably heard outside the reaction. So the serious charges facing Karen Reed, she was just found not guilty. The reaction from some in the crowd there. This is her dad, right? The serious charges against Karen Reed. She was found not guilty. Okay, murder in the second degree, not guilty. Leaving the scene of an accident, not guilty. The only thing she was found guilty of was operating under the influence of liquor. Okay, so she's hugging her defense attorneys, including Alan Jackson, you see with the beard there, who many of us got to know from the first trial. This is the second trial. The first one ended in a mistrial. It was a hung jury. This time around, she's acquitted of the serious charges. So
thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.